Hi, I'm Jon Nardi. I'm going to be talking about the US economy and some things going on in the US labor markets. So in the second quarter of 2023, the US economy grew at a 2.4% rate compared to other peers within the OECD. Pretty strong print. Employers are continuing to add jobs. So in July, the economy added 187,000 jobs, and the unemployment rate remained at cycle lows at 3.5%. Wages continue to grow. So wages are up 4.4% versus the same period last year. And we're seeing still a huge number of job openings, right? There are 9.6 million job openings in the economy, and there are only 5.8 million unemployed workers. So there are actually 1.7 job openings per person looking for a job at the moment. And then finally, the Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation came down to about 3% over the last quarter as well. So we're seeing a lot of positive indicators that point towards strength in the economy. On the other hand, from a job seeker or a labor market participant or the staffing industry's perspective, we are seeing a lot of signs of moderation. Last year was a record year in terms of job gains and job switching. So the 9.6 million job openings, that is off about 20% versus the cycle high of about 12 million job openings. LinkedIn's economic team posted that their job openings that they're seeing posted are off about 23% year over year. 2.4% of the labor force quit during the month. Quits are a really strong indication of how good people feel about their job. You generally don't quit unless you have a new job lined up. Last year, it was more like the 3% range. Overall, I would say we're seeing signs of normalization in the market. The backdrop is still pretty strong, but if you're a labor market participant, the gains might feel a little tepid compared to the tough comparison of last year's record year. For a while, we were hearing about recession fears. Those are starting to come in. For example, Goldman Sachs recently lowered its probability of a recession in this year. What we are seeing, though, among the labor market participants or staffing industry is just a little bit of a tepid feeling given the tough comparison of last year, which again was sort of a record year in the labor markets. Overall, I'd say tough comparison, but still relatively strong environment, and we should keep seeing job gains, although don't be surprised if month to month we see some fluctuation at this point in the cycle. If you found this interesting, please follow our company page, smash the like button, feel free to message me with any questions, and we'll catch you next time.